Hi, my name is Joe McCullough, and I'm your prosecuting attorney in St. Charles County. Putting criminals in jail is not the only job of the prosecutor. It's also about the victims, and in my office, the victims are the top priority. So I'm here to talk to you about National Crime Victims' Rights Week. When I began my career as a police officer, it was up to us to keep the victim advised as to what was going on with their case. Luckily, today, that has changed, and you now, as a victim, have certain rights. In the prosecutor's office, when a charge is issued against a defendant, we have 4, soon to be 5 victims advocates that will get in touch with you, inform you, and stay with you during the entire time of your case. Part of those rights that you have is the right to attend court. You can attend every court hearing that involves the defendant. You also have the right to understand what those charges are. We will explain those charges to you, and the range of punishment for each and every one of those charges. You also have a right to attend the court dates. We, as the prosecutor's office, will contact you prior to each court date so that you can have your voice heard. You have a right to express to that judge how this case has affected you, how this case has affected your family, and why that defendant should or should not be released on bond. You can write a statement that we, as the prosecutors, can read if you would like, or you can address the court personally yourself. You also have a right to restitution. If you have any out-of-pocket expenses that you incurred as a result of the actions of this defendant, you have a right to have the court order him to reimburse you for those expenses. When the defendant is about to be released from prison, the Department of Corrections is required to notify you of his release so that you can be prepared for the possibility of seeing him on the street again. I promise you, as the prosecuting attorney, that we will do everything in our power to make sure that you are well advised through the entire process, that someone is with you the entire time, and that you do not get victimized a second time by the process. For further information about your victim rights, please check the description below.